Have you ever stopped to wonder what truly defines your unique speech style? Yes, that's right. Just as you have a distinctive handwriting or a unique way of dressing, you also have a unique speech style. You communicate your ideas and feelings is a fundamental part of who you are. We're diving into the fascinating world of speech styles and we'll be sharing some practical tips and techniques to help you identify and enhance your own. Firstly, it's important to understand that your speech style is more than just the way you talk. It's the rhythm, the pace, the tone, and the words you use. It's your verbal signature, and it can leave a lasting impression on those who hear you speak. So, how do you identify your speech style? Start by recording yourself. This might feel a bit awkward at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to get an objective view of your speaking patterns. Listen to the recording. Do you speak fast or slow? Do you use a lot of jargon or do you keep things simple? Are you formal or informal? All these factors contribute to your speech style. Next, ask for feedback. Those who regularly listen to you, whether it's your colleagues, friends, or family, can provide invaluable insights into your speech style. They can point out patterns you may not be aware of and can help you understand how your speech is perceived by others. Now that you've identified your speech style, it's time to refine it. Remember, the objective here isn't to change who you are. Rather, it's about enhancing your style to communicate more effectively. If you tend to speak quickly, practice slowing down. If you use complex jargon, try simplifying your language. If you're overly formal, explore ways to inject a bit of warmth and personality into your speech. Experiment with different techniques and see what works for you. Another key aspect of refining your speech style is getting comfortable with pauses. Pauses can help you emphasize important points, give your audience time to digest information, and can also give you a moment to gather your thoughts. Lastly, remember to be authentic. Authenticity resonates with people. It makes you relatable and trustworthy. So, while it's good to learn from others, avoid imitating someone else's style. Find your authentic voice and make it heard. To summarize, understanding your speech style involves observing yourself, seeking feedback, and refining your style by practicing different techniques. Remember to slow down if needed, simplify your language, use pauses effectively, and most importantly, be authentic. The journey to mastering your speech style is a journey of self-discovery. It's about getting to know yourself better and learning how to express your ideas and feelings in the most effective way. So, start today. Record yourself, seek feedback, experiment, and refine your style. Your unique speech style is a gift. Nurture it, refine it, and make it heard. Before we wrap up, remember your support is vital. If you enjoy our content, give us a thumbs up and follow us. Your engagement fuels our creativity to deliver more beneficial content. Now look at this tap and follow graphic. This simple step can make a huge in our shared journey. So go ahead, interact those buttons and join us in the fascinating world of public speaking. Thanks your support and continue to amplify your voice.